The 2018 Buick Cascada's curvy exterior style elevates it above average, but we're not enamored with its dated, button-heavy interior. As a result, it's a 6 out of 10 on our scale. The Cascada's heritage is international. It was largely designed and engineered in Germany, and it's actually assembled in Poland. The only thing American about it is its Buick badge. Given its German lineage, the Cascada's relatively conservative style is hardly a surprise. But it's neat and tidy, a well-proportioned convertible that manages to look as good with its top down as it does with the power, fabric roof erected. Some hints of formality contrast nicely with the Cascada's swoopy detailing. Its chrome-heavy grille, blacked out on sport touring models, works well with another hint of flashiness linking its taillights at the rear. All versions have one of 3 20-inch wheel designs wrapped in relatively low-profile rubber. It's inside where things start to fall apart as the Cascada reveals its age.